I'm here to assist you with all your test equipment needs, from multimeters and test weights to patient simulators and x-ray analyzers. If you need guidance or you have any questions, please don't hesitate to write me at jbarber@bcgroupinternational.com.
Non-invasive blood pressure measurement is a fundamental component of modern medical diagnostics. The ability to measure blood pressure accurately and painlessly without piercing the skin has revolutionized cardiovascular monitoring and general healthcare. Over the decades, innovations in this field have transformed bulky and imprecise instruments into compact, user-friendly devices that offer reliable readings. This historical overview explores the major milestones in the evolution of non-invasive blood pressure measurement technologies. 1. Sphygmomanometer by von Basch, 1881. The first sphygmomanometer, developed by Samuel Siegfried Karl Ritter von Basch, used a water-filled cuff. It marked the initial attempt to measure blood pressure externally, although it was cumbersome and mainly used for physiological studies rather than routine clinical practice. 2. Mercury sphygmomanometer by Rivaracci, 1901. Scipione Rivaracci introduced a more practical design featuring a mercury column and an inflatable arm cuff, which significantly enhanced the accuracy and simplicity of blood pressure measurement. This innovation quickly became the standard in medical practices worldwide. 3. Korotkov sounds, 1905. Russian surgeon Nikolai Korotkov discovered that specific sounds are produced when arterial blood flow is restricted and then gradually restored. These sounds, detected via a stethoscope during cuff deflation, enabled the precise determination of systolic and diastolic pressures, greatly improving measurement reliability. 4. Further refinements and adoption, 1910s to 1960s. The subsequent decades saw enhancements in the design and functionality of sphygmomanometers, including the standardization recommended by the American Heart Association in 1939 and the introduction of aneroid models in the mid-20th century. 5. Oscillometric method development, 1970s. This period brought about the oscillometric method, which does not rely on sound detection, but instead measures the arterial wall's oscillations as the cuff deflates. It facilitated the creation of automated blood pressure monitors, suitable for environments where Korotkov sounds were difficult to discern. 6. Digital technology integration, 1980s present. The advent of digital technology incorporated microprocessors, allowing for automatic readings, digital displays, and data storage, which improved the practicality and widespread use of blood pressure monitors both in clinical settings and at home. 7. Wearable blood pressure technology, 21st century. The latest advancements include wearable devices that use optical sensors to continuously monitor blood pressure, offering a seamless way to track cardiovascular health over time. These innovations have paved the way for more proactive and preventative healthcare management. This historical progression from manual, cumbersome methods to sophisticated digital and wearable technologies illustrates the dynamic evolution of non-invasive blood pressure measurement, a testament to the intersection of medical knowledge and technological innovation.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with what you'd like to see in future videos.